Hello, in front of me I've got Jeep Compass. In this video I'll show you how to enable cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Simply press this button to enable cruise control. Now navigate to desired speed and now press set minus button to activate cruise control. To increase the speed, press the set plus. To decrease it, press set minus. To pause it, press cancel. To start it over again, press set minus. And then press this button again to disable this function. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.